godsman, what a carry on all this is. Or dinna you stare to gleike ingen sukin gype? Dinna you give me a great big hillock of work, it's your incompetence that's caused all this, man. Aye. Well, I just have a puckle of emails to send awa and then I'm done. I said I just have a few emails to send and then I'm done. Well, I'll just need to bide on then, won't I? I said I'll stay on, I'll work late. Tatty bye, men. Dear Katie, I'm writing to inform you of a complaint that I received about your conduct. Can I politely ask you to tone down your dialect when you are at work so a professional rapport and image can be maintained? Is that really what folk think? Currying in at my granny's ferm for an annual currynicht with gweed blethers, fine company, warmed by wood burner licht. Oh godsman, nay again. But why nay? That's gotta be it, is it? When I was up at Granny's farm, I knew that I wouldn't come to harm. I would cuddle on the rug. It was like a hug. I was a child again, no longer that thug. Maybe it is better this way.
I ken that it's gay cliched, McQuine, but dinna let onything to go wire sparkle, Granny G.
When we were up on the ferm at Granny's, I kent that I wouldn't come to ony herem. It was the warmth that made it special, the warmth o' her ferm. No, that's better.
Aye, Bert, fit like, I just wanted to give you a quick phone call to say that the numbers are back where they should be. So let's just make sure that this carry on doesn't happen again, like you can, aye. Anyway, regarding my usage of the mither tongue, for why nae? For why nae can I nae use it in the workplace? You and I can certainly spick it together. You're a tarlin looner, you know? You and I can fine wheel that spicking in the way that our Lovedean spoke to us, it's nae a sign of unprofessionalism. It means that we're happy, comfortable and relaxed, and fit mair could you want in the workplace. In life for that matter. Nae bother. Right, ta-ra men.
Focus. Oh, I can't believe it. I'm actually going to be performing my own poems in front of folk, in front of an audience that have paid. All I have to say is, aye, Abadi, I'm new to all this spoken word malark, but I'm going to be performing one of my own poems. This is called My Granny's Ferm.